What's up? A very good morning and welcome to my vlog. So in today's vlog, I am gonna show you a studio tour of a close friend of mine. So I am in Bandra today, and the studio which I'm gonna visit is Iron Buzz. So guys, we are at Iron Buzz now, and as you can see, Iron Buzz. So now let me take you inside and let's meet Eric. Hey Eric, what's up?
Hey man, what's up, Nico? Good to see you.
Good to see you. Guys, finally we are at Iron Buzz, and I have Eric Jason D'Souza, the owner of Iron Buzz over here. So Eric, it's a very pleasure to meet you, and I'm very excited to shoot my video vlog today at Iron Buzz, and I hope my viewers would enjoy this whole studio tour. So let me just introduce you all to what Eric does and what is his work profile. So Eric is a very old friend of mine and a very versatile artist. He specializes in realism. He does crazy color tattoos. Now if you see his profile, he is getting into a new style that's called biomechanical, and very few artists are able to get through the biomechanical, because it's a very deep thought and a lot of details involved in doing that kind of tattoo. So Eric is one of them who specializes in that, and hats off to you, Eric. And one more thing, Eric is a Radiant sponsored artist. So if you guys know, Radiant is a ink brand, and in India Eric is a sponsored artist, and he does really good work with the inks. And inks ही नहीं, आदमी का ही एकदम ये है, आदमी सही रहेगा तो इंक तो सेकेंडरी है, काम पहला आता है. As you all know, Iron Buzz is morphed into a crazy big empire, and hats off to Eric and his effort that he has made Iron Buzz what it is today. And today you guys are going to see how big the studio and क्या इंडिया में एक reputed brand बन चुका है Iron Buzz. So बज़, आयरन बज़ जो नाम है, तो एरिक ने एक बस तो क्रिएट ही कर लिया है इंडियन इंडस्ट्री में अपना. सो दैट्स अबाउट एरिक. Now Eric is going to take us to a studio tour of his whole studio, and we're going to see his place, his workstation and all. So hope you guys enjoy my video.
Awesome.
So we're going to go for a studio tour now, and Eric is going to take me to the studio. So let's go.
First of all, welcome everybody to Iron Buzz. Everybody has seen our journey. सब लोग ने देखा है स्टूडियो कहाँ से कहाँ तक आए. And this is, I think, another example of what an artist should do and could do. And this is just another example that I just want to set and put in, just put it right in front of everybody. Everybody that this is where you can get to. This is this is very luxurious for us, for everybody here. But we worked very hard. बहुत काम किए हम लोग ने, and I think all that hard work is paying off. And I just want to show you directly right from the way you enter. This is obviously like any other place. This is our main counter. This is where everything starts. Alvin usually sits here, and then you all must have heard how Iron Buzz really functions. We have something called a consultation, which we take a lot of pride into. And this is our consultation table. We wanted to make sure कि बहुत lavish हो जहाँ पे बैठे. You should feel very very cozy.
Correct.
The whole point of building a studio like this, when we entered into a place like this was more like an office, and we had to convert this into a very cozy studio, because all our studios have been that way. There are a lot of plants, a lot of Nepal inspired paintings, and a lot of statues and stuff like that. And then we wanted to bring that and continue throughout, because that's who we are as people. We love nature, and we wanted to bring nature within our studio rather than looking outside. And when we were designing this place, we had everything in place, and there was just one thing missing, and we were just constantly thinking कि क्या होगा वो. And Farzan, who designed this, Farzan and Natasha were the couple who designed this, and they were like, plans डालते हैं. Let's just see how it's going to work. So we went from, our last studio had about 25 pots. We've gone from 25 pots to more than 150, 160
So-
plants in this studio. And all you can see is nature. I'm going to take you guys over there. Before we go there, I just want to show you this consultation table. This is where the collaboration happens. This is where the customer and our artist sit, and they have a conversation more than what they're going to do. Talk about the tattoo. It's more of a connection with them. This is where the lounge area. I want people to chill. So enjoy your coffee, enjoy your chai here. We make really good chai and coffee, by the way.
Yeah,
it's really good coffee, right? Yeah, this is more of a photo section that we wanted to create. Merch is on the way. When people stand here, Rahul, when they get tattooed, it's a form of pride for them, correct? Once you're tattooed, once you've got your first 10th, whatever, it's still a that thing of pride, and I want people to feel like that when they stand here in front of the camera. And this is where the work happens. This is when my mom and dad came here. वो सोच रहे कि महल में क्या कर रहे हैं हम लोग, what are we doing in this place? Because I told them that I'm going to move into a big studio. They didn't realize it's going to be this big. They kind of underestimated it. So when she came in, when my dad saw this, they were very proud of us, of what we've created. And what I like about this area is the ceiling. This is beautiful. I love the ceiling. I love how the height. This is a good 21 feet ceiling. And I think we want to do more with this place. It's still quite empty for our tastes. And what I want to talk about next is the amazing setup tables. This was customized by a friend of ours, and the person who came up with this idea is Dinah, none other than, because Dinah is the first one who actually thinks that an artist can work only when they are in the most comfortable spot. They have to be comfortable. They need their machines. They need their needles. They need their inks. They can have everything. But what else can we do for an artist? And the best thing is to make sure that there's a very nice setup table and a nice bed, a comfy bed. A setup table which has everything in it. What जैसे आपको चाहिए, it's customized how we work. That's why we didn't invest in something that was ready-made. Dinah was the one who designed this. She put it together. This is how we've been doing things all along. Usually there's very loud music playing here, but today we keep it very quiet. Okay? Where I want to take you guys next is where the magic happens. This is where everybody puts in a lot of their time, a lot of their effort, and before the design or the tattoo directly goes on the client, it obviously goes through the drawing area, and the drawing area is very special for me. I'll show you guys. So you have drawing area, the entrance is from that side and from here, so that artists can move on both sides. This is where the drawing happens. Everybody knows who this guy is. Don't turn, but turn. This is another Mr. Adesh Ji. This is Kalpesh, Paufa, Mayur and Prachi. They're at work right now, completing a lot of designs. A lot of research happens here. Again, this is all customized how we want our studio to be. We even have a little chill area on top. Once in a while when we want to just meditate or just need an alone time, all you can do is just go upstairs and just sit there, chill. किसी की आवाज़ नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं है. Everything is okay. And it's buzzing constantly. We are still living up to the name. What I really like about this place is, Rahul, I've never had such a big board. Okay, forget about the board. I've never had a facade like this before. So it's a huge, it's a view. I'm a huge fan of sunlight.
Sunlight.
Yeah, for me, I need brightness wherever I go.
And that gives you that energy that you get.
Yeah.
You'll be able to put it in your work.
It's either black and white, right?
Yeah.
So I'm a huge fan of the bright sky. I'm a huge fan of the night sky as well. So it's either very bright or very dark. I really love that. And You know, this is like a dream come true for us. Even when we work here, even though Bombay में buildings तो रहेगा ही, but हम लोग को at least आसमान दिख रहा है, and that's more than enough for us. You know? And the huge as logo is beautiful. Alright, so the next section that I'm going to show you is very special for me. It's not ready yet, but I'm still going to take you there. That is the training where the actual training happens, where a lot of my students come in. And earlier, my students would come in every 6 months. I would take about 2 students at a time and teach them everything that we know. And but this time we wanted to take a very different approach. This time I wanted to give them their own secluded place. So I'm going to take you there. Come check it out. Before we enter, I just want to let you know that there's a lot of mess that we've created. A lot of stuff that we still don't know what to do from the last studio. Last studio से बहुत सारा सामान निकला. हम लोग को तो मालूम नहीं कि
किधर क्या रखता है.
Yeah, because we've taken the whole minimalistic approach. There's not much frames. If you can see on the partitions also, there's not as many frames as we used to have. Yeah, please come in. This is where Lakshmi is sitting right now. Babaji is here. This is my training area, which is going to be the Iron Bus Pro. We're still working very hard on what we're going to do, how we're going to teach. It needs to be very different, and a lot of work is being going in behind this plan right now. We want to teach in a very different way, very interactive. I want my students to be part of this equally as I am. If I'm giving my 100%, I want them also to give their 100% back to me. Because who knows, probably I'll be the one on the receiving end and learning a lot more from them. And that's the kind of teacher I've been. It's more of an interactive session where I ask them questions, they have every right to ask me questions, and we figure out a plan for you, what works for you, what doesn't work for you, and we take that approach to teaching. We teach you tattooing that way. So I want this to be very, very chill. So right now we've moved from 2 students to taking up to 10 students. As you can see, a lot of mess right now. But please avoid this. This is going to be beautiful one day. And very importantly, Rahul, that I want to point out that when I quit my my corporate job many years ago, I had a little cabin, not a little cubicle, where I would put my drawings and everything and this and that. And that was very new for me because I come from the gully. Very humble beginnings, and I've never seen an office before. And suddenly I go to SOTC and the place is beautiful, it's white, and I'm given a chair and a cubicle and I'm sitting there with all my workmates. And I took a decision to move from there and become a tattoo artist. And then I think the tattoo bed and the workstation and the chairs were the only space that we had everywhere. But today I want to just let you guys know that Diana and I, today, we have a cabin. I think it's a very special day for us. This is where a lot of my other stuff is going to come to. We're going to put a lot of stuff. I'm going to decorate this place. I haven't got the time yet. But yeah, this is where I sit, I study, I read. A lot of ideation was anything related to Iron Buzz, meetings, everything happens here. And yeah. I have a cabin. One of the very important things that I want to point out to you, Rahul, is from where we started. Okay, our start was in Warsaw, and from there we had to move to Yari Road. And Yari Road is the first studio where we put in all our blood, sweat and tears into that studio because we were all in. And if people remember, that studio had a lot of woodwork in it. Okay, a lot of wood, a lot of everything, all the tables, from the consultation table to the shelves, everything was proper wood, and you can tell. Even the facade, which is when you enter, and a huge tattoo board written, a board which says tattoo on it, and it's just woodwork. This door has travelled from that studio, right from Warsaw. It's travelled from Warsaw. This was our main door there. It came to Bandra, Pali Village. Then we did the next studio at Linking Road, the previous studio, and this door has finally come here as well.
So it's a lucky door for you.
Yes, not only this door. I'm going to take you. I'll show you another one. So this is the door that's traveled 4 studios, and I hope this travels all the way till my grave. The next one that we got along is this consultation table. Okay, this is soon going to change, but again, this table is very precious. This is again traveled along with the door, and yeah, we thought of putting this right in front, but unfortunately it's a little small now, so we're going to change that. But I'm going to use it again sometime. Yeah. So this is Iron Bus, guys.
So I'm gonna go meet the artist from Iron Bus. So the first artist I'm gonna meet is Adesh over here. Hi Adesh.
Hello.
So he's also a versatile artist. I've seen his post. He's a very hardworking guy and a very creative guy also. So follow his page on Instagram and do like his work. So guys, we have 3 artists also working here. So he is Mayur, she's Prachi, and he's Pafa. Pafa is busy designing. So I'm gonna take you to a very interesting place. Eric keeps on telling me that this is the place where I sit and I chill when I don't have any work, or the place where I like to sit the most. So I'm also gonna go and experience the same. So now let's take you there.
This is where we sit. Once in a while, we just come here, chill. Doesn't happen very often because it's a very busy studio. But whenever we do get the time, it's a very good view from here. And you can see the road. You can go all the way here. Yeah, we just have to be careful not to fall from here. But otherwise, it's just beautiful. Perfect for diving.
Wow, so I hope you guys enjoyed. And Pramod is over here. Pramod, say hi. So Pramod is India's best calligraphy artist here in Iron Bus. So happy to meet him after a long time. जैसा कि बोलते हैं कि behind every man's success there is a woman. So meet Dinah, the co-founder of Iron Bus. So guys, finally I had a wonderful afternoon over here at Iron Bus, and I'm ending my video over here. So if you like my video, don't forget to hit the like button. Also smash the subscribe button down there. Hit the bell icon for more notifications on my new video. Till then, this is Rahul Venkat signing off from Iron Bus.
See you.